Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can lock Brave browser with password. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser, open up your Brave browser right over here, and as soon as you have your browser opened up over here, so from over here you can tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner, tap on this option of extensions over here, and then you will find this option of find extension and theme in the web store. Once you have tapped on the web store, you will find this kind of interface, and from over here you're going to go to the extensions section, and from right over here you're going to go to search bar and type in lock browser and search it up. Once you have done that, you will find plenty of options. Go ahead, find the one that you would prefer to lock your browser with. Once you have done that, tap on add to Brave. Tap on add extension. The extension will be added. Now you can go ahead and set it up with the password, and the matter of fact, it will also show you the video right over here on how you will be able to do it. I'm not currently going to be doing that because I don't support that. I would not like that in my website, in my browser right now. If you would prefer, check out the video, do it so, and you're good to go. So that's basically it. Hope this video will help you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.